Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 11. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change display brightness mode, manually or auto brightness. Next we can change display mode between light and dark. We can schedule the dark mode, and in more dark mode settings you can change dark mode style, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light conditions, and enable dark mode for third-party apps. Next we can change screen color mode, enable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change its temperature, and change its style. Next we can change font and font size. Next we can change display size, enable video color boost, auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, change screen refresh rate between auto, high and standard, and in the end we can set full screen mode for apps and hide notch in apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.